welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this entire full face of makeup. I have done my entire face of makeup using drugstore products only in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and definitely hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. Also, do follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of mini tutorials, skincare tips and tricks and things like that on there. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, then definitely do follow me on Instagram. Let's start. Starting with the Maybelline FitMe concealer, I'm just prepping my eyes for eyeshadow application. So I'm just applying concealer wherever I have darkness and unevenness on my eyelids. And I'm taking a brush and I'm just basically blending that throughout my eyelid, evening out the skin tone on my eyelid. Dipping that same brush into a compact powder, I am just going to apply that and set the concealer that we have applied. Next, I'm taking this eyeshadow quad from Maybelline and taking the darkest blue shade from it, and I'm just going to start to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. Now, as you can see, this eyeshadow isn't very intense, so you want to keep applying it and building on it till you reach your desired intensity. So you want to apply it right about till there and then start to apply it on the outer corner of your eyes. And just once again keep building the intensity till you are happy with it. And once you're done, then you just want to blend all the harsh lines out. Next, taking that shade from the same eyeshadow quad and wetting my brush. Now, the reason I'm wetting my brush is so that we can increase the intensity, increase the color payoff of this eyeshadow. And I'm just going to apply that to the center of my eyes, to the part where we left it blank. After which, I am taking a clean blending brush and just merging all the harsh lines, blending in all the harsh lines. So we have a really nice and smooth application. Now, prepping my face, I'm just cleansing it with a cleansing wipe, cleaning all that fallout and basically just cleaning my entire face. After which, I am moisturizing my lips with the Nivea Soft Rose Lip Balm. Using this moisturizer from Garnier, I am just going to apply that all over my face and especially under my eyes. Want to make sure your face is well moisturized and give it about 2 minutes before you apply your foundation. Using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, I'm just going to take that on a buffing brush and I'm going to apply that all over my face, buff the foundation into my face. I want this to be quite full coverage, which is why I've used a brush and not a beauty blender. So you want to make sure you buff that well into your face, and you can build this foundation as much as you want. The coverage is quite good, so you can add layers wherever you feel necessary. Once you're done with that, I'm again taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm going to be applying it under my eyes. I'm going to be using it to conceal and highlight as well. So you want to apply it everywhere you want to conceal and highlight. Down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin as well, and the Cupid's bow. Once again, using a brush to just blend everything in. Like I mentioned, I want everything to be super full coverage. That's why I'm using a brush and not using a beauty blender. So once everything is super well blended, I am going to be using a compact powder from Chambor, and I'm just going to be applying a very thick layer of this powder to set the concealer. Everywhere I have applied concealer, I am applying a super thick layer of this compact powder. As you can see, it almost looks like I have baked. This compact powder is super high coverage, but it does tend to get a bit powdery if you over apply it. So once I've set my concealer, then I'm just going to brush off all the excess powder and just apply a thin layer on the rest of my face. Next, using a darker compact powder from NYX, I'm just going to apply that to bronze my face, like you can see, under my cheekbones, on my nose, and on my forehead as well. Once I'm done with that, I'm using this matte blush from Chambor and I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks all the way to the temples. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I'm just going to apply that into my waterline. You want to make sure you apply a nice and dark, thick layer. Since our eyes are smoky, we want to keep the bottom eyes as smoky and as intense as well. Dipping a blending brush into the darkest shade, I'm just going to smoke out under my eyes right after applying that Kajal pencil. Next, taking that lighter shade, I'm just going to apply it to the inner corners like so. Nothing too intense, just something to blend in. Using this Dream Touch blush from Maybelline, it is a very light pink colored blush. I'm just going to use it as highlighter, using my fingers to apply it on the high points of my face. And building the intensity as and how much I need. Applying it on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose as well. And then finally on my chin. And of course, forehead as well. Moving back to my eyes, I am taking this Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, and I'm just going to apply generous layers of mascara on my up and bottom lashes. And you can stop right here if you want. I went ahead and applied falsies. I applied the PAC M71 lashes, as you can see. After which, I just took a little bit of that Kajal pencil on a brush and just kind of tight lined my upper waterline. Finally, moving on to lipstick, I'm using this lipstick from Maybelline. It is a beautiful nude colored lipstick. I didn't want to pair anything too dark with these eyes, so I just applied that all over my lips, and we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.